Good morning. Well, I've got my potato bed all ready, and I hope to get finished planting the potatoes this morning before the rain is supposed to come in the afternoon. So I wanted to tell you how I had prepared this bed with the no-till method before I was ready to plant. So last fall I planted a cover crop in this area that grew over winter, protected the soil, added organic matter, kept roots in the ground. So that was to improve the soil. About 4 weeks ago, I cut down that cover crop, which slows its progress, but it does not terminate it. So to help terminate it, to start with, I put a ground cover on the paths where I was going to have potatoes, and left that for about 4 weeks so that it would warm the soil and help terminate the cover crop. Then when I was ready, I removed it from that path and put it on the path between the sweet potato rows so it could be warming that soil and terminating that cover crop. And in that space, in a few weeks, I will put corn plant. This is a new variety of corn for me that I chose because the information said that it had a higher protein content than other corn, and I'm growing it for my pigs, so the higher protein will be a good thing. Next, I covered the potato rows with a layer of leaves that we collected last winter. And then after that, in each spot where I wanted to plant a potato, I put a shovel of our compost that we made last winter. So now I'm ready to plant the potatoes this morning. Always important to note what good shape this soil is in without doing any tilling and without disturbing the soil life. So I'm very happy with that method so far. Now, you can cut these potatoes in pieces and make more than one plant out of that, but I'm choosing this year to leave mine whole because I've got plenty to go in my space that I have for potatoes. I'm planting several kinds of potatoes this year. So this row is going to be Kennebec, and I have Yukon Gold, and I have Grand Duke, and Norland, and Red Pontiac, and Blackberry. These are blackberry potatoes that I saved from my potato harvest last year. I kept them in the refrigerator all winter, and I got them out about 4 weeks ago. Then I spread them in these trays and set them in a well-lit room out of direct sunlight where it was cool, and let them sprout for about 4 weeks. So you can see they've got some nice sprouts on them now, and they're ready to go in the garden. I like to have variety. Okay, that's all I have for you today. So I'm going to try to finish planting my potatoes before all this rain comes. And I hope you have a great day and a happy gardening season, and thanks for watching.